You've been living and working in China for over 30, how many years?
37 years.
37 years. Looking at your first early days to China, what did that look like?
We were mainly traveling in the countryside. It was completely undeveloped. To travel from Beijing by car to Henan, it would take 37 hours. And today, maybe 4 hours.
You must have gotten a lot of looks 37 years ago,
everywhere.
or over 30 years.
So all the transportation had to happen after 10 p.m. I have been covered up on the back of the car or in the trolley that they were throwing. On many occasions they were carrying me. That one I was still, praise God, I was a little bit lighter. So
And what were you supposed to be? Like a sick person or a...
just a piece of meat that they were carrying around.
Really?
Yeah, sure, because it was the middle of the night, maybe 2-3 o'clock in the morning, so it was complete dark. So they felt that we are more sterile, so we will carry him.
Were there ever any times where you almost got caught?
Yeah, but those years, I mean, that we even had situations when even the police stopped the car. We just have to keep yourself silent in the back of the car. Even under the blanket as we were lying, they started to share jokes and they start to laugh. And the Westerners absolutely laugh differently than Chinese do.
Yeah.
So when we were passing the villages and you could hear this laughing on the back of the van full of Chinese, everybody, what was wrong with that car? It was sounded so different.
Yeah.
So I did no jokes, no nothing, just keep silent.
How many hours would you be under those blankets?
It could be 8 hours.
Wow.
It could be less than that. I mean that those longest escapes, so the police came in and we left, and we were in that car 67 hours.
And so you knew the police were after you?
Yeah, we knew that.
And you couldn't get on any, I'm assuming, plane or train because of your ID, so you had to drive.
Yeah, we have to drive across the whole China, all the way to
67 hours.
67 hours. Just they were feeding us under the blanket behind the gun.
67 hours under the blanket,
Yeah.
being fed like animals.
That was a trap. We didn't know that, but they had chased already from the airport to that hotel, so they had been after us already 150 kilometers. So
The Heavenly Man was with you during that time.
he was there in the hotel. I was meeting with him, and he was in the shower. As we got the phone call that now they are coming. They are here within 3 minutes. Get rid of your guests, and that was the command. So we first have to get Brother Yun to come out from the shower, and he was so wet when he put on his clothes. Everything happened in less than 5 minutes.
And you slipped out.
Yeah, slip out, yeah. So that was a close call.